Dragonling. What's this? Dragun Beauty transformation face powder. What are we doing here? Max, what is that called?
This is the correction orange thingy.
What is it?
Hold on.
What is it called?
This is called, hold on.
Dragon transformation potion. Is it Dragon Heart transformation potion?
Google it. Google it so that we
Wait,
have
wait,
it.
yeah. Is it recording? Dragon. This is so small.
Let me see. I'll read it.
Here, I got it. I have good eyes.
Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion. There you go.
Okay, go. Action.
Whoa! This is the Dragon Fire Skin Protection Powder. Wow! This is the Dragon.
Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion. Action.
Whoa! Whoa! This is the Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion. What you got at me?
Hey guys, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be reviewing the famous Dragun Beauty egg. Oh my gosh, if you guys are here for the review, you came to the right place because I know Nikita Dragun for the longest time. We go way back. She has blossomed into the woman that she is today, and I'm so proud of her. I remember I had met her at Bellamy, and then I invited her to the Next Face Awards where I was actually competing in the Next Face Awards, and it's just so cool, and she would stay over. She would skip to my loo, down to my apartment and downtown, and it's just been such a journey to see everyone grow in this industry and good things happen to good people, and I'm so proud of you, Nikita, and I'm here to review her product and show her some love because she is like my little drag daughter. So today I'm going to be reviewing Dragun Beauty. I have pulled up the website here, dragunbeauty.com, and I will just tell you what is in here. This is it! So cute! This is the Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion on this side, and then the Dragon Heart Transformation Face Powder. And this is the bedazzled fancy egg. This one is called the Iced Out Dragon Egg Transformation Kit. They have one that's not iced out with all the rhinestones, and this is the transformation kit that is just not iced out. The one that's not iced out is $55. The one that is iced out, this one, is $105. It is a collector's item. And then there's the Dragon Fire Skin Perfecting Potion, which is $25. And the Dragon Heart Transformation Face Powder is $35, and there are 2 shades. So as you can see, I am barefaced, and I want to show you guys everything from start to finish. So we are gonna start with the Dragun Beauty Corrector, Universal Corrector. And it says here on the website that it neutralizes everything from purple, blue, gray discoloration, and dark circles and beyond. You know what? I think she was looking at my gray ass early on and decided to make this for me. Yes, thank you, Nikita. Thank you. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my favorite primer at the moment. This is the Banana Bright Face Primer. I'll rub this all over my face. Okay, I have zoomed you guys in, but first of all, can we talk about packaging? This packaging is so cute. There are little dragon scales on here, and there's like a holographic dragon scales on here. Look at how cute these holographic scales are, and the logo is everything with the little heart in the A, and it is so absolutely cute. I have not tried this yet, but when she stopped by and dropped it off in her Lamborghini with her boyfriend or whatever, she said it does shear down. And I think this looks really scary because of the color, but it says it promotes optimal skin health with almond oil, shea butter, and added emulsion. So this actually is very hydrating to the skin, which I would assume to be very sheer upon contact with the added emulsions, almond oil, shea butter, and everything. And this is $25. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this on my dark spots, which is literally all down here. And I have brought you up close and personal because this is real, this is me. I'm not exactly where I wanna be. Woo, woo, that is orange. Where else should I do this? Let me do this down here. You see this blue-gray up in here? How does she do it? Y'all, do you think she's giving the sold out fantasy and is not really sold out because she sold out? It don't matter. She get her coin, okay? Restocks 2 days later.
Hi Dragons, what's showing you my Dragonfire Skin Perfecting Potion
Does she have
from
foundation
Dragun
on?
Beauty. This has been in development for so long. Over the years, I've tried absolutely everything to correct my under eye darkness, my 5 o'clock shadow honey, and a lot of gray areas along my face. So I'm just gonna take it from the applicator and apply it to places where I get gray or I notice that I have a lot of discoloration. Once it's applied, I start to blend it out just with a flat brush. I'll either use my finger or I'll use a brush, or you can even use a beauty blender. And the thing I love about it is that it glides so effortlessly on the skin. So we added shea butter and we added almond oil just to make sure that it wasn't harsh on the skin. Now I'm gonna add foundation over the color corrector. So
We ain't there yet, honey. Hold on. So, like she said, I'm gonna go ahead and blend this over everything. And yes, I'm correcting my eyelids just because. Looking at it off the bat, my concern was that it would sheer out because of the added emulsions like almond oil and shea butter. It just seems like such a slippery product to put in a corrector. But I see that the color is actually staying. You can actually use your fingers as well. Looking like Pokemon trees up in here.
Girl, look how orange you look, girl.
You know what, guys? It's actually dried down, and I look like I got hit in the face. I think it's time for foundation. So next, I'm gonna take the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer in the color Tan 9, and I'm gonna take it on a buffing brush, and I'm just gonna go ahead and oh, cute! I like how it's not mixing. It doesn't look orange to me. It's just very nice. And this is a drugstore foundation. Because I don't believe I use drugstore. Very nice. Been a while. What I'm gonna do is just stipple. This is actually really nice. You know what's nice about a corrector too is that you're able to use less product without going too overboard with foundation, because that's what I normally would do, is just use so much full coverage foundation that I end up looking cakey. But this is really, really cool that I'm using less because it's already correcting for me. I normally wouldn't correct my eyelid, but I did it anyways. Oh my God, look at my face. You guys see color corrected foundation. I love this foundation, but what I love even more is that it's a drugstore foundation. It's cheap, and I am not really caked. I don't feel like I'm caked, but it's actually covered a lot of the blue and the gray. Normally with concealer, I would be comfortable just going out the house just like this with a little lash, little brow, believe it or not, a little blush, little moisturizer, and be done. But this looks really, really cute. So I like it. It actually stayed. What I was so concerned about was that it would mix because it was so emollient, and it would mix in the foundation and that it would actually turn orange, which it didn't. Applause. So again, let me show you on this side. Watch. Okay. Wow, corrector. She's cute. And also, it's the technique. I'm patting it in, not buffing it in. Especially that mustache area. Cute. Y'all want to see me cover this eye, don't you? Wow. Cool. So this is the Dragonfire Skin Perfecting Potion. What do you guys think? I think it covered up and corrected pretty well. I'm really, really happy. My skin doesn't feel dry. I did use my own primer with this corrector and then my own foundation, drugstore, Milani. But yeah, I really, really like it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my Nikita Dragun inspired look and face, and I'll be right back to try the powders. All right, this Dragon Heart Transformation Face Powder is $35, and there is 2 shades, and this is a pinkier shade and a yellow shade, and this is to brighten the face. Right now I look a little bit dull. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the peachier shade, the top one. And this is not like a foundation powder, a setting powder. This is kind of like a brightening powder. You can see it's brightening my under eyes really well. That's just with the pink one. I'm gonna go ahead and try the yellow one on the other side. I'm flipping my brush over. So I'm just noticing off the bat that it is a little bit drying for me, but I do bake, I do have a foundation powder, and I do wear heavy duty concealer. So what I would combat that with is a spray, and I'll tell you how it goes at the ends. But so far I like the color. I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my nose with the yellow one. I can't tell which shade I like more. I think the yellow one suits me more. This is the yellow one on this side. Pink one is cute. I think yellow. But maybe I'll mix it. I'll just kind of balance it out. Because why not? If you're buying this, you're going to use both. Let me snatch my face. Let's go all to Dragonland with this beat, honey. Oh, you do not need a lot because my chin is protruding, honey. Let me tone her down. Now to soften these edges, I'm just going to take my Charlotte powder and just like diffuse the edges just a little bit so there's no harsh lines. It really brightens the face. My God. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face and I'll be back with my final thoughts. Alright, you guys, I am back and this is the finished look. I have my iconic Nikita Dragun purple wig from Amazon looking like the Nikita Dragun from Amazon. Here we are with the finished look, but most of all, I am obsessed with the look. I'm really, really impressed with the color corrector and also the powders. It was a little bit dry, but once I sprayed it down like I normally would, all the powder settled because I do bake and bake and bake and powder and powder and powder. My skin looks pretty glowing and highlighted and bright, which is the claim for this powder. I love it so much. Again, congratulations to Dragun Beauty and Nikita Dragun. I am ready to pussy style. I'm ready to steal your man. I'm ready to tag men that aren't really tagged on my Instagram. And yes, I love you all so much. Congratulations to Nikita Dragun. If you guys want to see more videos like this, be sure to comment down below and breathe fire, my dragons. Woo! Dragon's breath. You look how red your face looks, sunburnt ass. Queen! Now we do the wig. Bitch. Her boyfriend won't be able to tell the difference. Come on, Michael. Whatever your name is. Pussy stud. Pussy stud. Let me straighten this shit. She would never. I look like Norvina! Norvina! Will you put me on the PR list or not? Norvina Dragun over here, okay? You want to be on my PR list? I'm so proud of Nikita that she came out with her new lipstick. It is the color for summer. It is so great. She came with blush because the hearts blush. All right, Nikita. Nikita sounds most sickening. Trying to face up. Let me call the next best thing, Gabriel. Dragon Tales, let's go all to Dragon Tales. Come along, take my hand. That's when you give me a hand. Take my hand, let's go all to Dragonland. That was our high budget production. Yo, Ashley, put some lotion on.